Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out in Litmatch. So if you want to cash out your asset from Litmatch, then you have to go through some steps. So the first step is open the Litmatch app. So launch the app on your device and log into your account. Then access your wallet. Navigate to the wallet or earning section, often labeled as lead bank or similar. Then check your balance. Ensure you have accumulated enough virtual gifts or rewards that are eligible for withdrawal. Initiate withdrawal. Look for a withdraw or cash out option. Then select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method like PayPal, bank transfer, or etc. Enter required details. Provide necessary information such as account details for the chosen withdrawal method. So it could be your bank details, it could be your card details like your card owner name, card holder name, or the CVV or the expiry date, and also the card number, the most important thing. And if you go with PayPal, then you have to enter the PayPal credentials to add your PayPal account on Litmatch. Confirm and submit. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal request. Wait for processing. Withdrawal processing times may vary. Monitor your chosen withdrawal method for the funds. So that's pretty much all the steps that how you can actually cash out in Litmatch. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.